Hi, Karen Deis here, and this is November 2013 Mortgage Currency Update of the Rules and Regulations. First of all, I need to apologize for not getting this to you sooner, but the USDA has issued an announcement back in August that updated one of the underwriting requirements for manually underwritten files. There was one change. They'll now allow 12 months worth of rent verification if rented from a family member. Before, regardless if they rented from a family member or not, it was not considered a compensating factor. So what we did is update the mortgage talking points for you to give to your clients and your real estate agents. And speaking of USDA, they came out with a handy refinance matrix that you can refer to when it comes to the eligibility regarding refinance loans. This is a great reference tool for you and your processors. Now, in regards to Fannie, this is the third update that we've received for the 9.1 DU conversion. It's going to go into effect on November 16th, and before, lenders were told to disregard the message in regards to pre-foreclosures and deed in lieu of foreclosures, and what they did is they just eliminated it entirely, so it's no big whoop here. And just a reminder that if you have files in process right now, run them through 9.0, because when 9.1 goes into effect, it's going to be more restrictive underwriting. You're also going to find 4 articles in regards to the Consumer Finance Protection Bureau. One is, what is a small business entity, to see if you qualify for the qualified mortgage rules or not. They outline their diversity policy, also their fair lending policy when it comes to qualified mortgages. But if you were to read one article in regards to Consumer Finance Protection Bureau, it's the one written by Tammy Butler, where she outlines the basic principles of a qualified mortgage and then interprets what it means to you in plain English. So it's a great article to read. By the way, you're going to find 3 updated mortgage talking points flyers. One is what you need to know about HARP loans, which changed the date to a closing date of May 31st, 2009 to qualify, versus the selling date to Fannie and Freddie. So that's something to get out to your borrowers. What you need to know to qualify USDA loans, the compensating factor, that one little update that I mentioned earlier. And then my community mortgage, which changed the loan-to-value ratio from 97 down to 95. And finally, there were no FHA or VA updates within the last 30 days. So, hey, thanks for subscribing, and just a reminder that getting a loan approved and closed these days is rocket science.